Hi, I'm Shar. Welcome back to How to Do Stuff. Alright, it's the holidays. I'm stressed. I'm going to share with you a secret. I need to dance for a few minutes. And what I like to do when I'm overwhelmed and I'm stressed is I like to move my body. So I like to do a lot of hip movements because it helps get me going. So yeah, I'm not even dressed. Here we are. Being comfortable. So we're going to keep our knees nice and gently bent. We're going to do some hip pops. Why do I have a chair here? We're going to do some hip pops, all right? So what the premise of this is just, again, isolation here and moving that little part of the body. Bump. Make it stop. Move it. Make it stop. Make it stop. I let it all go. Just let it jiggle. Your thighs are going to jiggle. Everything is going to jiggle. Hip pop. Hip pop. It's almost like it's like hip checking something. You walk by, you're like, boom, there's a hip check. There's a good pop. There's a good pop. And then you can make it bigger. Make it as big as you want to. A way that I teach in my class to get to do this is by swaying. So bend your knees nice and soft. And just do nice dip and sways, just like that. All right, your knees are always bent. You always want to work within your body. You always want to be comfortable. If all you can do is just dip and sway right there. Do you see how I got kind of disconnected from my ribs there? A little dip and sway. All right, so the idea of this is to tighten everything up in the back. Boom, it's tight. It's tight right there. As tight as you can get it. Boom, tight, tight, tight. You want to hit that hand. You're not bringing your hand in. You're bringing your hip to your hand. All right? Hip, hip, hip. That's what I do. And it's a tightening movement. You'll get the feel of it. It's not boom and letting it all just kind of be there. We're throwing it out there and we're getting it ready for the next motion. Right? So stop it right there. Stop. Double taps, double tap, double tap. I'm in the squeaky part of my floor. Double tap, double tap. Okay? So it's just 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. It's really a powerful movement. And if you think, it'll change the way you walk too, because you'll be walking, you'll be trying to hip hop. But that's a whole other thing, right? So this is just really going faster. All right, and slowing it down. It's hard to do the move slow as it is to do it fast, because it takes practice, it takes the momentum, it takes the control in the muscles there, right? So if you can do it fast, no problem. Slow it right down. And you see, I'm a little out of breath right now. Focusing on this one, making sure your knees are nice and bent. You can even bend your knees a little bit and do your pops here. All right, you can bring them up, be on your toes and do your pops. Bring it back down. As long as you keep your knees nice and bent, maybe that's why the chair is here. As long as you keep your knees nice and bent, you can do your pops. All right? If you need a chair, look at that. There's a chair. No big deal. No big deal. Stay within your own comfort zone. Get excited about your body because it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. And let those pops go. Make it happen. Don't worry about anything jiggling. You can see me jiggling. I'm jiggling all over the place. I don't care because, it'll make the belt jingle. Let me go grab it. Hold on. Da 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 da. All right, so I have one of my quieter belts on. Look at how beautiful this is. All the glitters. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the costumes. So this, hip hop, hip hop, hip hop. Let's move this over a little bit. Hip hop, pop, pop. Let's move it to the back. I'll have a tail. Pop, just for this demonstration. See how he stops? Stop it. Pop. Turn it around and I have a wagging tail. Pop, 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 pop. It all adds to the movement. It appreciates the body. And it helps us love the way things move. See? Oops, squeaky floor. All right, you guys, so that's it. That's pops, hip pops specifically. Pull it in, out, out, and get ready for that next move. All right? This is a fun one to practice. All right, I'll see you next time.